So today guys, we're here at the Macquarie Pass. We're going to be doing a lot of waterfall chasing.
It's only about 15 minutes away from Wollongong, which is about an hour away from Sydney. Let's go. Ooh, there's good lighting here. I actually don't know much about Macquarie Pass. I live like really close to it, but I haven't actually ventured here. Ventured, is that the word?
Yeah, ventured.
I haven't ventured here as often as I probably should, considering how beautiful it is, but this man is the king of Macquarie Pass.
So yeah, really it's just a national park built along this really sketchy road where there's a lot of car accidents. It's so beautiful for such a terrible place to go driving.
The king of Macquarie Pass was telling me that this track is quite amazing because of the different terrains that you go through. It begins like a very normal rainforest, and then you come to this point here, and I feel like it's just fields, palm trees. I feel like we're in like Thailand or something right now.
Yeah, it's a very crazy change up, but it adds to the beauty of the track.
We are the sea, we break the rocks. We are wind, we fly and rush to nowhere. And time is running fast as we see. Blue decks will never cancel us. Fall free will make us with our steel breathe. Midnight is coming fast as we see.
Stopped off for some fruit to re-energize, and this is quite a beautiful place to stop. Sitting by a waterfall, flowing water, apples. The humidity makes you sweat so much, but when you have a waterfall like this behind us, makes it all the worth it. Now we're probably gonna go for a dip, aren't we?
Yes.
I think it's well deserved. This has got to be one of the most beautiful places I've personally ever seen. It's definitely on a bucket list to come check out. I mean, just look at this. I feel like we're in the Daintree rainforest at the moment.
Yeah, it truly is incredible. The waterfalls are really nice here. The water's this sort of crazy green blue color. And we're about to go for a swim. Hopefully it's not too cold.
Hopefully it's not too cold. We're about to find that out. It's going to be fresh, I reckon.
Definitely fresh.
Let's give it a go.
Whoa. I think the best idea is to dunk the ball. That was just so cold. It's stressful. Oh, now we have to swim. bar shop closes at 5. It is now 4:06.
We have to get out of this. How do we have reception here, but we have to get out of all this to get to our bar shop by 5 o'clock. We just finished that dip in the very cold water.
So now we're on our way to Carrington Falls to check out the swimming holes and the waterfall itself up there.
Well, that was a fast trip to Carrington Falls.
Yeah, so we're up here to take some photos, check the lookouts, and maybe go for a swim.
The cinematic B-roll takeaway.
We are the sea, we break the rocks. We are wind, we fly and rush to nowhere. And time is running fast as we see. Blue decks will never cancel us. Follow free will make us with our still breathe. Midnight is coming fast as we see. Feel free and always find the last week. Feel free and close will keep you calm and see. We're running to the roof. We're running fast like wolves. We're running to the roof. No chance to stop us running fast. Now feel my love is growing so strong. Watch future, forget the past and the known. Cold blood is keeping us so close. At night we go into the dark light.
So that concludes our Macquarie Pass and Carrington Falls adventure today.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you come visit Macquarie Pass and Carrington Falls because they are both so good.
Amazing places. Have a good one, guys.
Catch you later.
Feel